How to prank it up.
A woman in Australia was driving home from work when she glanced up at her visor and spotted this.
Hell no! Oh, hell no!
Ooh, if I had a spider in my car, I'd wiggle my way out of there. It's so scary. Let me know in the comments if you're afraid of spiders.
Ah! Oh, Lord!
Boom! This big giant spider flies out from the top of the roof. Woo! I would be jumping out of my shoes if that was a real spider. But here's how I set it up. I just got a little spider like this. A really light one though, because you know, I want it to come off the roof. I don't want to get stuck. So I got a really light plastic spider for this one. Tied it with some fishing line. Taped it right there in the top corner. Now the prank is set. It's so easy. You just have it like this. Make sure the fishing line isn't showing on top. You want to try your best to hide it. And when they go to open the door, boom, that flies out, hits him. Oh, but Dennis, my car's too small. You can totally see the top of the car just standing at the door. They'll see the spider on top. Version 2 of the door spider setup. The spider is inside the car now, inside the car. So when they go to open the car door, oh my god, whoa! Look at that thing swinging right there. They don't know what it's gonna be. It looks like a giant spider. Now going to the grocery store won't be so boring. Your mom and dad will be like, why are you so excited to go in the car to the grocery store? Another creepy spot for a spider to hide is in the gas tank. Imagine your mom and dad got to pump the gas and they open this up. Boom! This thing falls out. That would make them jump so hard. I'd be so scared. Look how creepy that would be. You just set it up inside your gas pump cover, right? You just set it up for when that thing opens and this door opens, it's gonna fall. You cover it up. Okay, it's ready. Nobody would know something's in there. Boom! That falls out. It's hanging. It's big. It's got legs. It's creepy. It's crawly. It's gonna make them jump. So when you're putting spiders in someone's car, you gotta be very careful because you don't want them driving and finding the spider while driving because they'll wiggle and freak out and go, oh my god, this spider's off of me! Whoa, 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 you got a spider on your shoulder. Really? Spider right there. It's right there. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Oh, you have a spider on your shoulder there.
Oh, please.
Just go like this. Yeah, it's going in your shirt. No. Oh, whoa, you have a spider on your shoulder. Get it. It's in here. It's in your shirt, man. It's inside your shirt. Inside. Right there! Okay, you got it. Some of the most successful pranks we've done ever were the most simple. Some of them didn't even require a prop. Look how this spot right here, right there on the window up and down, right? You want it right there on top. At least in my truck, it works well this way. Even if I slam the door, it stays right there. If you made it this far, those of you watching right this second, I want to give you a big thumbs up and a huge thank you. I appreciate every single one of you, especially the ones right this moment. So I'm sending you much love, sending you lots of thank yous. Appreciate you very much. Live inspired, shock the world. I'll see you next time.